Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. In Selvin Kitchen we're going to make an awesome delicious banana cake. So over here guys we have 5 overripe banana we're going to use to make the banana cake. Then we have 3 egg, we have a cup of brown sugar, we have a pinch of salt, we have a nutmeg here we're going to grate her, we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla, we have a pinch of cinnamon powder, we have a half a teaspoon of baking powder, we have 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have some cherry. We're going to coat it and put some honey. We're going to put in the cake as well. And then over here we have 1.5 cup of self-raising flour. We have half a cup of coconut milk. Awesome, delicious recipe, guys, in Selvin Kitchen. Hi guys, so what Marissa doing now, guys? She just peeling off the skin off of the banana, and she just gonna take the skin away, put the skin over there, and then after she's just gonna add the banana in the bowl. And then we're going to use a fork and crush those beautiful, delicious ripe banana. So when you have your kids, guys, just put your kids in the kitchen, learn them from now how to cook, how to bake, that when they grow big, they can support themselves. So what I'm doing now, guys, Marissa was crushing the banana. So I'm gonna just get a fork like that, and you just crush the banana right just like that. So the first step we do when we're making the banana cake, banana bread, anything you want to call it. So we just crush the banana then. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video before you go, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go, and please check out the channel for us at awesome delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen.